Hey everybody, welcome back, and today I've got HMV, little nipper. It's a model 62-52, well thereabouts, it certainly looks like it on Radio Museum, and these were produced between 1955 and 57, so plastic case, very nice condition, and going by memory, yep, on off, it's probably volume or tone, again volume or tone, and that's working too. Tuner, nice, and it's all complete and looking good. Some scuffs, that's okay, they'll come out. So let's get the thing open, and excuse my arm, we'll do it now. See what we're in for with this one. It's nice to have them get them with the case these days. As you know, I've just been getting chassis to fix. Alright. What have we got? So everything looks pretty good. I can see an output transformer there. Yeah, really nice. Alright, I will take it the black wire's the earth and the white wire's the aerial. Okay, we'll sort that out anyway. I'll get that out of the case and yeah, we'll play with it and get it going. Got those 4 retaining screws out. There's some, you can see it there, some blackening. Oh, for the heat, I guess that's probably a 6M5, is it? Yep, and we know they run hot. So, right, let's get this thing out. And straight to the guts of it. Nice. So, zoom in, see what we got. Nice clean chassis. And lots of waxies. And that looks like a dual cap can there. That'll be what, 2 16s? Yep, I think. Yep, 16 plus 16. Nice. I like working on these nippers just as much as I like working on those Chrysler 1180 81s. They're just a great little chassis to work on. Alright, so, yep, 25 microfarad, so this is our cathode bypass. And the rest of it, look pretty simple. I'll hook some wire up, some power, and just run those obligatory tests and see what we're dealing with. I thought we'd check the power first. So I've got my clips connected to pins 1 and 6 of the 6X4 rectifier, and that should be HT. Right, you can see everything good. Right, bit of power and nothing. Yep, it's all plugged in. Alright, actually I'll just turn it up a little bit more. No, I'm getting nothing. Ah, the on-off switch. Oh, that's a bit wobbly. Alright. We will try that again. And here we go, power. Yep. Plenty. And dial globes aren't working, but that's okay. It's that bloody, the on-off switch, you have to turn it anti-clockwise to turn it on. Forgotten about them. Alright, let's also, while we're at it, let's check the rectifier valve, make sure we're getting some sort of DC out of it. And I believe from memory that the negative just goes to earth, and it does. So there we go. On DC, and let's take it up slowly. Here we go, something's happening. I think. Well, that's 130 volts of mains. Yeah, not looking real flash. Nah. No, that's not good enough. Is the globe even lighting up? I think that 6x4 has had it. So, should have another one. I'll go swap that out and we'll try a new one in its place. I swapped out the valve and let's give it another go. Here we are. What's going on? Oh, let's go DC volt first. Oh, something's happening. Oh, that's good. Beauty. That's plenty. Wonder if the radios start working. Might be a bit too much to hope for. Everything's looking good. No shorts in it. And, alright, I forgot. Don't even know if the speaker works. So, let's get rid of that. And, if the colour coding is standard, I'm looking for a blue and red wire, which will be connected to the plate. The output, the 6 and 5, and there's a blue wire, and I see a red wire onto the rectifier. I reckon that's it. Okay, here we go. Nice. Alright, I'll well, you know, I don't know if the output valve's working and whatnot, but at this point, let's get that old cap out and put two brand new 16s in there. And then I'll feel more comfortable leaving the power on and, you know, basically mucking around with it and trying to get the thing work. So, let's do that. Okay, the caps are in, and they both go to earth, the negative side anyway. And let's give it some power, and let's monitor. Not the first cap, second cap, why not? And let's turn up some power, and ooh. Let me just go back out, and here we go. Come on. It's starting. Oh, good. I've got the antenna attached, so hopefully we'll get to hear something. Bring it up to 200 volts now. That should be enough. Ah, look at that. Nice. Okay, the groove station again.
Australia. So today, ahead of our series that are coming, I'd like just to do a bit of a whip around of the sporting world. A few little stories, we've got half an hour, but we've got
stories that have come up.
And the volume pot is filthy.
Attention. A few tidbits. Many we can through. Most of them are positive. I got one negative one, which got hackles up, but I'll come to that later, I suppose.
Oh, save the hackles for a bit later on.
Yes, that's right.
Cool.
Okay, Tim's not here, and we might have something to say about this next story next week. Because it's about... So I've got two stories here.
Nice.
One
Turn that off. All right. So, it works, and that volume pot inside is filthy. Oh, man. So, I'm going to take that out next and open it up, give it a clean, and that would be the best thing. At least I'll get the thing out of the way, and we'll have some smooth volume happening. There's the volume pot all opened up, and let's give it a squirt. And hopefully that cleans it right up. Alright, I'll probably do this a couple of times and then put it all back together, and I'm hoping that takes care of it. So I'll be back soon once I get it back in. Okay, that volume pot's all back together, and I thought I'd just jump right in and test it, make sure that it is working properly before it's all back in there. And I'm just warming the setup at the moment. Well, that's not very good. Okay, I'm going to turn that off. I think the pot, I'm pretty sure the pot's fine, but I'm now thinking about the caps, and that little cap there, that's the coupling cap, so that could be completely shot, hence all that distortion. So I'm going to, I'll swap that out to begin with, and we'll run another test and see if that improves the sound quality. Okay, I've changed that cap, and the radio's running.
Australian delegation travelling to Canada to join the days of a high-level biodiversity summit.
Not real good.
No. The COP15 UN summit has been counted as a chance.
I'm just going to go get another volume pot and see if that makes any difference. I'll grab another 500k pot and
Making radio with you.
nice and smooth. Bloody loud radio.
And so excited to have Bob Dylan in the studio early.
Anyway, that problem's solved. I'll continue changing those caps because it just still sounds a bit distorted. So I'm sure there's a lot of leaky caps in there. Let's get all of those out and replace them with some brand newies, and hopefully this thing will be buzzing really, really well.
Your McLean's showing.
Show us your smile, what is in style? Why your McLean's showing? It's not a sin, it's time you grin. That's your McLean's showing.
McLean's toothpaste makes teeth irresistibly white.
Show your McLean's.
That's what they're for.
Are your McLean's showing?
So, a Your McLean showing. Here's the radio. It's all done. Changed those caps, changed only a couple of resistors, as they were really, really close. And
In both the men's
here
and
it
women's
goes.
leagues to Sydney for the next 3 years. Victory chairman Anthony DiPetrio stepped.
Can do is focus on the derby and make it.
The players have also
Cool.
says his club has done what it can since the announcement.
And it works really, really well. So, yeah, I think this one showed initial promise to be a difficult radio. But really, just a dud volume pot and leaky caps, and that was it.
There's a major flood
So,
warning for the Murray
the
and
old
Edward Rivers
nippergram,
across Cardiff,
the old
South,
little
showers
nipper
over East
lives
Queensland.
again. It's
Going
great.
top of
Anyway,
20
guys,
degrees in Melbourne,
another
16
short one.
degrees now.
You know, hopefully, maybe We'll get some more difficult ones in the future. But thank you all for watching, and I will see you all again very, very soon. Take care. Have fun, everyone.
So long, Joe. I'll be dropping you a card.
Cal, get off right away. This whole thing smells to high heaven. Cal, I'm begging you, don't go.